You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look.
Alright everybody, what's up? We are back. Welcome to the Bad Grass Dude channel. Now, I got my water today. Thank you for water for sponsoring today's video. You are very refreshing. Alright, so let's get started. So, first things first, welcome. Go check out some of my other videos. But, alright, enough is enough. We need to discuss investing and growing your business. So, first of all, the number one important thing that you young folks and you new business owners and hell, even you older business owners who might not have any sort of retirement. Now, listen, I don't care if you sign up to start investing today or tomorrow. Actually, I do. You know what? You need to do it today. It doesn't take much, but you've got to start. All right. I don't know what's going on here, but my GoPro is playing games with me here. It's shutting off on me. But anyway, so back to what I was saying. Look, I'm going to post up a link below to my Robinhood, not my Robinhood account, but a Robinhood kind of, we'll both get a free stock if you sign up today or tomorrow or whenever you sign up. Use that link, you'll get a free stock. But here's the deal. Right now is a good time. I know the stocks are down, the markets are down. But where's it going to go from here? Chances are it might go down farther, but it's going to go back up. The economy's going to get better. We're all going to be in a position to where if we invest now, we are going to be on the receiving end of the good stuff. So, how's that not good? Go do some research. You'll find that the stock market fluctuates. It goes up, it goes down. Even after the recessions, it usually booms and goes back up. So, on that note, it's just important to start your retirement. So whether you invest in a Roth IRA, an IRA, play your chance at the stock market, day trading, a little more risky, but there are ways to make money. But the trick is we're trying to make our money make money. So best thing to do, in my opinion, is dividend stocks. Now, you can go aggressive or you can go non-aggressive. You can play it safe, 2, 3, 4% type of dividend stocks, or you can go higher, 10 plus dividend stocks. Either way, you just got to get started. And I feel that by doing so, you'll have a little bit more motivation to obviously grow your business, right? Like, we want extra money so we can invest. But here's the thing. I have a savings account for my business, and I keep X amount of dollars in there to cover our butts during the winter time. Because winter time, we do snow removal, but it's not always guaranteed. So I save that. Well, I've got a certain amount I try to save, and now is what I'm doing is anything left over, I'm investing into accounts, and I'm going to make my business money make me money, as well as my personal kind of investment type stuff where it's going to be more of my retirement stuff. Now, both obviously are going to be my retirement because, you know, let's face it, I own the business. But I'm going to try to use some of that extra money for the business to make me money. Now, another thing I want to talk about in business and maybe growing a business is utilize the things that will make you money. So one thing that I'm going to start doing that I haven't done before is I'm going to find me a good credit card that pays me cash back. Now, I don't do, I don't care about the airline miles. I don't care about any of that. I want cash back. So basically, I'm going to try to find one that's got the most cash back that's going to pay me for my purchases. So my gas, my payroll, some of that payroll I can put on a credit card and put back into the account and pay it off. I'm going to be paying it anyways, so I'm going to find a way to use the credit card. But regardless of that, if I do that, I'm going to get a fairly decent amount of cash back. But here's the thing. Another thing that I did was my bank recently started this new thing where it pays me cash back as well. Now, that's just on my regular checking account, and it's $8 a month. Now, I know most of you are like, $8? That's nothing. Well, it is nothing, but I don't have to do anything for it. I literally just went and signed up for it. Now I've got $16 back over the last 2 months. There's $16 I'm investing in dividend stocks. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring you along, right? So I've got multiple sources of income. I've got some Amazon stuff we're doing. So right now I'm separating Amazon money, the YouTube money, my business money, everything. And I'm going to make each little piece grow. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to show you, and I'm going to take you along my journey so you can figure this out, so you guys can do it yourself, because it's important. Any rich people you talk to, they are going to have one thing in common. They are going to tell you, I have multiple sources of income. Yeah. I have multiple sources of income. I don't make all of my money off of one place. So if you're working a 9 to 5, if you're not even in the lawn care industry and you're watching this video, you can make multiple sources of income. You just got to go do it and be productive and not sit on your butt. Anyways, work harder. That's just a quick video today. So if you got any questions, let me know. Also, I'm going to be starting a mentor program where I'm basically going to be coaching people, and basically it's gonna cost some money per month, but basically I'm gonna be on your team. I'm gonna be rooting for you when you're down and depressed and why the hell am I doing this? I'm gonna be like, get your ass up. You've got this. You can do it. Work harder. Let's go kick some butt. So, anyways, if you want some information on that, comment down below. Find me on Instagram, The Bad Grass Dude. That's The Bad Grass Dude. Go find me. Well, that's actually my YouTube thing. Instagram is just all one word. The Bad Grass Dude. So go there. Find some stuff, DM me on there. I'm gonna be making some deals for the first, say, 10 people that want to sign up. I don't care if that 10 people takes me a year to achieve. I'm gonna be running a deal. First 10 people to sign up will get a discount, and then the price is gonna raise. So anyways, follow along. I'm gonna start investing. I have been investing. I've made some mistakes. I've lost some money. But overall, I've been paid back a decent amount of money for dividends. I've been going super aggressive because I'm getting older, and let's face it, I'm not getting any younger. But like I said, for some of you kids out there, if you're in high school starting up a business, invest. Robinhood link down below. Follow me for more ideas, tips, tricks. I don't know. I want to help you guys grow your business. So I'm going to start popping off more videos. I know I've said this, but it's real. It's coming. Watch for it. We are going to grow together. I'll help you. I'm on your side. I've been there. I've done that. I'm moving on to some other stuff. I'm still growing the lawn care stuff, but I'm growing it financially and not necessarily physically. And I keep growing every year financially. So, yeah. Follow along, hit the subscribe button, like the videos, check out some of my other videos. If there's a topic you want me to discuss, comment down below. I'll be happy to discuss it. If you are having troubles in your business in a certain area, that's where the mentorship program, coaching program will come in, is I will work with you one-on-one and dive into your business to say, hey, what's working, what's not working. You're missing out on some stuff. I've got a local kid who I've been helping out grow his business. I've been giving him business, but just hearing some of the things and the prices and the charges that he was, charging his clients, I'm pretty sure we're at a point now where he's making more money off his regular clients because he's charging more for services he deserves to be paid for. That can be you. So let's grow your business. Let's get you started investing, and follow along for more. I like water. There's nothing better than cold water, ice cold water on a sunshiny day.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like